Microscope. A microscope is an instrument used to see tiny objects like microorganisms, which cannot be seen with naked eye. Components of microscope. Eyepiece. The lens you look through, usually magnifies 10x. Objective lenses. These are 3 to 4 lenses, e.g. 4x, 10x, 40x, 100x for different magnifications. Stage. The flat platform where you place the slide. Stage clips. Hold the slide in place on the stage. Light source. Provide light to illuminate the specimen. Mirror. Reflect light towards the slide. Diaphragm. Controls the amount of light reaching the slide. Coarse adjustment knob. Move the stage up or down for general focusing. Fine adjustment knob. Fine-tunes the focus for a clear image. Arm. Used to carry the microscope, supports the body. Base. The bottom part, supports the whole microscope. Body tube. Connects eyepiece to objective lenses. Revolving nosepiece. Holds objective lenses and can be rotated to switch magnification. Diagram of microscope.